there. Welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by this amazing team. And I want to talk today about apparently Senator Ossoff in Georgia and some other some other Congress people trying to get the solar roof tiles from all the companies that make them. GAF, Tesla, the companies that make the solar roof tiles. Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I advise you to Google it. They're beautiful. These things look pretty great. They look like just a roof replacement. And what this really is more so of like a more technology thing. I think it's going to be huge. In another 5, 10, 15, whatever years, it will catch on, I do believe. But what we need is a lower price in these things. That said, what we're looking at here is currently, you guys know that the ITC tax credit for solar is 26%. That applies to only the roof tiles. So when you look at a GAF roof or a Tesla roof, there's quite a bit of tiles that are in the roof that are solar. A lot of them, what they call dummy tiles, which are faux tiles, whatever, they look just like them, very similar, not quite just like them, but similar. And those are the tiles that they end up cutting or whatever for the angles and the ridges and whatnot, and just shorter pieces, whatever. So this bill, what it looks like it appears to be doing is going after the faux tiles and the mock ones, whatever, and it's going to include those for the 26% because you can't have the solar tiles without those. So it makes sense, and I understand where we're going with this. I think it should, in my opinion, this should have been done originally. I don't know why this wasn't a thing. This is news to me. I thought it was, I'm going to be honest with you. I personally thought it was already included because you can't have one without the other, right? As it already stipulates in the, I think it's 5495 IRS form, 5495 I think it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, you accountants out there. But if you have to do a roof over before you do solar, my understanding is the roof section you're shingling, you have to strip off and put your shingles on because your roof might be already over 25, 30 years old or whatever. That section that you have to pull off, that section of roof is already allowed to be taken for a tax credit because it needs to be done for the solar. So this makes sense because you have to do those for the solar tiles. So I'm pretty sure this will pass through. We have a pretty open-minded administration right now, currently in office. I think they control both the House and the Senate right now, as well as the White House. And they're pretty forward-leaning on green energy. So my take is this is going to pass pretty easily. I've been wrong a lot, who knows, but we'll see, and I hope it does. That aside, let's hope that this passes, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys are thinking out there, and if you like what we're doing, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by this incredible team that supports us here, Solar Wolf Energy. Thank you.